these situations, police have to operate their vehicle with due regard for the safety of other people.
7 years after a Decatur woman died after a crash with a state trooper, her children are getting more than $2 million in a settlement. Good evening. I'm Brandon Morano.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. In 2016, a mother of two was hit and killed by a trooper responding to an emergency call. Now, 4 judges have found the driver mostly responsible, and taxpayers will foot the bill. WCIA3's Ariana Williams is with us. So, Ariana, what do you mean by mostly?
The ruling found fault on both sides. State Trooper Jeffrey Denning was in Decatur heading north to Muhammad. He was responding to a shooting more than 40 miles away, driving over 100 miles per hour. Denning testified his sirens were not on and his lights were not continuously flashing. They were on a standby mode. 26-year-old Kelly Wilson was making a left turn when she was T-boned by the state trooper and later died. But a toxicology report showed Wilson had a blood alcohol level over the legal limit and THC in her system, giving her partial fault. Her attorney says even with this information, the fault given to Wilson was too high.
There was no evidence that she was impaired at the time of the accident. To the contrary, we had a human factors expert witness testify that she had behaved in a manner that was consistent with anybody else that would have approached the similar situation.
Her lawyer says an eyewitness said Wilson was already in the intersection when she presumably sped up to make the turn and avoid the trooper. But as she accelerated, the trooper moved left, causing Wilson's car to roll over several times. The settlement money will be put in a trust fund for Wilson's 2 children until they are of age. Tonight at 10, why taxpayers will pay for that settlement. In the newsroom, Ariana Williams with WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Ariana, thank you so much.